Good morning, my dear children. I hope all of you are good and safe. Today, I am going to tell you a story. Being truthful. Telling the truth is a good habit. If you always speak the truth, you can save yourself from lots of trouble. Truth is a deep kindness that teaches us to be content in our everyday life and share with the people the same happiness. In this story, with the help of two characters, one is thief and another is priest. Writer basically wants to explain you that speaking truth is good habit and we should always speak truth in our life. And now, with the help of story, I'll explain you the character of thief and priest. Once there was a thief and he was looking for things to steal but could not find much. In desperation, he went to a temple where the priest was giving a religious speech to many people. The thief decided to listen to speech for a little while. The priest was speaking on the topic of truthfulness, and the thief was completely lost in the true feeling of truthfulness. When the program was over, everybody went home except for the thief. The thief had many questions and arguments in his mind regarding the importance of truthfulness. He wondered how a thief could become free from not speaking a lie. The priest gave the thief confidence that he could be successful even while stealing. The thief committed to speak truth always from that very moment. At night, the thief was about to go out to steal. Before setting out, he thought for a moment about the promise he made with the priest. If tomorrow the priest asks me where I have been, shall I say that I went out stealing? No, I cannot say that, but I can't lie either if I tell the truth. Everyone will start hating me and call me a thief. I would be punished for stealing. So the thief decided not to steal that night and stayed at home. In this way, whenever he thought of stealing, he remembered his promise to tell the truth at all times. Soon he gave up stealing and became a good man. The moral of the story: make a promise, I shall always speak the truth, and I will always tell the truth to admit when I am wrong. Thank you.